If you have Office 365, then you can unhide multiple sheets in your Excel in one go. This is a new feature added to Excel for Office 365. But if you are not having Office 365, then watch this video till end to know how you can unhide multiple sheets in one go by just clicking on an icon. In my workbook, I have 6 sheets available. If I want to hide multiple sheets in one go, then I can press Ctrl key from my keyboard and then will select the sheets that I want to hide. Right click from your mouse and select this option hide. If I want to unhide them, I will again right click from my mouse and click on this option unhide. You will see that all the sheets that are hidden will be listed here, and unfortunately we cannot select multiple sheets by pressing any key from your keyboard or by selecting from your mouse. So you need to unhide these sheets one by one. And you can imagine that if I have multiple sheets, say 20 sheets to unhide, it will take a lot of time. And if this is something you need often, it makes sense to have an icon for it right here. And when you click on it, it will unhide all the sheets of your active workbook. It also doesn't matter if your workbook is macro enabled or not. And that clickable option will be available in all your worksheets and workbooks. To activate your personal macro workbook, we are going to do few steps. Do not worry about writing any macro at this point in time. I'm going to make it very simple for you. So for this, you need a developer tab on your work file. If you do not have this, you can get it from here. Go to File, go to Options, click on Customize ribbon, and then check this box if it is unchecked in your settings, and then click on OK. You will get this tab on your workbook. Now we are going to record a dummy macro just to activate the personal macro workbook. So click on this button, Record Macro, and then from here, Store Macro In. From drop down list, select Personal Macro Workbook. Click on OK. Now I'm writing anything here, and then click on Stop Recording. Alright, so now we will see where is our recorded macro. For that, click on Visual Basics. You can get this window by a shortcut key Alt plus F11 from your keyboard, and you have one folder named Personal. Go to Modules, click on this plus sign, click on this Module 1, and you can see that a macro is there. This is a dummy macro which we have recorded. I'm going to delete all these syntaxes, keep sub and end sub as it is. Change the name of your macro to a relevant name. Let me write here unhide sheets. I'm going to write few liners here. Do not worry about these lines because I am providing all of them in the description below this window. You can copy paste that syntax from the description and then paste it in your Visual Basics editor panel. So we'll write here for each sheet in worksheet, sheet dot visible equal to true, next sheet. Let me write one more line, dim sheet as worksheet. Okay, now we will test our macro if it is working fine or not. I am just saving it, closing this window, and then from here I am hiding few of the sheets. Now to run a macro, I am using a shortcut key Alt plus F8 from my keyboard. You can see that I have this macro, and you can click on this button Run to check if it is working fine or not. So you can see that all the sheets are now unhide in my workbook. We are almost done, guys. In our last step, we will create an icon right at the top of this workbook, and by clicking on that icon, you will be able to unhide all the sheets in one go. That icon will also be available in all your workbooks, irrespective of it is your active workbook or your new workbook. It also doesn't matter that your workbook is macro enabled or not, so you do not need to run any macro to unhide the sheets. Just click on that icon and you will be done. So for that, go to Files, go to Options, go to Customize ribbon. From here, select Macros. You will see that your macro is sitting right here. We are going to create a new tab after Developer tab. Rename this to some relevant name and hide sheets. Okay, I'm renaming this new group. Select any icon of your choice and hide sheets. Okay, I'm moving this macro. Click on this button Add. You can rename this to, so select your icon, the choice that you want, and I am renaming it to unhide sheets. Okay, click on OK again. You can see that at the top there is a new tab, unhide sheets, and there is a new icon in your workbook. When I click on this icon, it will unhide all the sheets for me. So let me hide few of the sheets first. So I'm hiding sheet 1, 3, 4 and 6. I'm left with sheet 2 and 5. Now when I click on this icon, please notice what happens at the bottom of this window. So I'm clicking on this button, unhide sheets, and all the sheets are now unhide for me. So this is how you can create an icon for yourself, which will be available in all your workbooks. So let me open a new workbook for you, and you can see that this option will always be there in all your Excel files. If this is something that you use frequently, then this will be a boon for you, and you will enjoy clicking on this button and all the sheets will get unhide. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and you will also create an icon for yourself to unhide the sheets in all your workbooks. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you want me to create more videos like this for you, then motivate me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much and have a good day.